What is the Syndra event all about? Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing out there? Guess what? We have the Syndra event coming up. What is the Syndra event? Now, Syndra is an annual event that is being hosted by the Centicini team every year, where we bring together AI experts, evidence-based researchers, and data analysis experts. Guess what? We have a lot of wonderful packages for you this year. So if you're somebody that has successfully registered for our Syndra event, it means you're going to be experiencing our product launch. We're going to be launching a web application on that day. And also, you're going to be getting a catalog of courses on artificial intelligence and data analysis. So if you've registered for the Syndra event, you're definitely going to be getting a full course on data analysis, introduction to SPSS, introduction to Python programming, and also Tableau and SQL. So this is going to encompass a lot of wonderful packages for you. See you at the Syndra 2025 Maiden event live.